Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of honeybees. Get ready to learn about 40 incredible facts that are sure to blow your mind.
Did you know that honeybees communicate through a unique dance known as the waggle dance? This intricate movement tells other bees where to find food sources.
Honeybees are responsible for pollinating approximately 1/3 of the food we consume, making them essential for our survival. A single honeybee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Imagine the teamwork it takes to create a jar of honey. The average lifespan of a worker honeybee is only about 6 weeks during the busy summer months.
Queen honeybees can live for several years, up to 5 or more, and are the only females in the hive that reproduce.
Honeybees can recognize human faces. They remember pictures of human faces for several days using their good vision.
When foraging, honeybees can fly up to 5 miles from their hive to collect nectar and pollen.
Honey is the only food that never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Honeybees have an incredible sense of smell, with about 170 odorant receptors in their antennae, allowing them to identify flowers and potential threats.
The worker bees in a hive have a variety of roles throughout their lives, including nurse bees, foragers, and guards. A bee's wings beat about 200 times per second, enabling them to hover and maneuver quickly while collecting nectar.
Honeybee colonies can consist of up to 60,000 bees in peak season.
When a hive becomes too crowded, the queen will leave, taking half the colony to start a new hive.
Honeybees require pollen and nectar to nourish their young and maintain the hive's health.
The color of honey varies depending on the type of flowers the bees gather nectar from, resulting in shades from light gold to dark amber.
Honeybees have been around for millions of years, with the oldest known honeybee fossils dating back 35 million years.
In ancient history, honey was used as a payment to service workers, and even as an offering to the gods, symbolizing abundance. When honeybees sting, they release a pheromone that alerts other bees to join in and defend the hive.
There are over 20,000 species of bees worldwide, but honeybees are among the most well-studied and loved.
The scientific name for the western honeybee is Apis mellifera.
Honeybees are not aggressive. They sting only when they feel threatened.
Some plants, like buckwheat, produce a dark, rich honey that many people enjoy for its distinctive taste. Honeybees have specialized hairs on their bodies that collect pollen grains as they move from flower to flower.
The phrase, busy as a bee, reflects their tireless work ethic in the hive and while foraging.
A bee's body is made up of 3 main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Queen bees can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day during peak season. Some species of bees can even survive freezing temperatures by clustering together for warmth.
Honeybees help in the cultivation of many crops and fruits, directly affecting our food supply and economy. Bees can see ultraviolet colors, which helps them identify flowers that are invisible to the human eye. In the U.S., beekeepers have reported a significant decrease in honeybee populations, posing a risk to agricultural productivity.
The memory of bees is so remarkable that they can remember for extended periods where flowers are located.
The value of honeybees in pollination is estimated to be over $15 billion annually in the United States alone. Some bees can even mimic the sound of a predator to deter other insects from approaching their hive. Honey has unique medicinal properties, like its probiotic effect and ability to soothe sore throats.
Beekeeping dates back over 4,500 years, making it one of the oldest forms of agriculture. Did you know that honeybees are responsible for pollinating the almonds that make delicious almond milk?
Every honeybee plays a distinct role in the survival of the hive, showcasing incredible teamwork.
Planting bee-friendly flowers can greatly aid in supporting local bee populations.
Now get ready for the last jaw-dropping fact. Honeybees communicate not just with dance, but also through pheromones, making them one of the most efficient communicators in the animal kingdom.
Thank you for watching. If you found these facts about honeybees fascinating, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more nature insights.